Hey guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you a review about the Airwallex Business Account. So Airwallex is going to be a financial platform or app that could use to manage your financial situations, businesses, and etc. You're going to have a Visa card within the platform and all the needs that you're going to have to send, deposit, or receive money. So let's talk about the business account. It is going to be here a feature on wallex.com. You're going to head over the platform. You're going to scroll down a little bit, or you can get over the products and click on account or business account. You're going to click on it, and it is going to be a different sign up from the normal one. Basically, you're going to discover in this video the ins and out of Wallex or Airwallex business account in 2025. This comprehensive review breaks down the key features, pros, and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for your business or not. Let's talk about the key features right now. Airwallex is going to have a multi-currency accounts in plus than 60 countries. Also, it is going to be a global transfer for or to plus 150 countries, and they have a very competitive FX rates. So for the borderless card for employees, it is going to be available in Airwallex. So here we are going to talk about the expenses management tools. It is also available, and that will help you a lot to manage well the expenses of yours. So you're going to keep track on each one of the expenses, the revenues, and also the benefits that you're going to have instead, or if you're going to run a business right there. Also, they have included the feature of the payment links and also the plugins if you're going to use Airwallex to sell things. So that is going to be the best feature I think that we are going to have because it is going to be resembling a lot of Stripe. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. Let's start by the pros, of course. Airwallex is a fully digital experience with remote account setup. So you can go ahead and use it into your phone, into your desktop platform, and it is going to be 100% online or in the app that you're going to use the features and also the plugins. They have a very competitive and also low fees and transparent pricing. Just likewise, they have no hidden fees or whatsoever. So you can go ahead and trust the app or trust the platform for that. They are going to have the fees as competitive as the lowest ones. Also, they have a strong security and regulation compliance, so you do not need to worry about the security or the hacking or trafficking of the accounts or false information and false, let's say, your invoices that you're going to receive maybe for some unsecured wallets or accounts in the web. They have an integration with the popular accounting software, so you can go ahead and use the integration within the platform with these softwares. So it is going to have an accountant or accountability of the and also let's say here trackability of the expenses, revenues, and everything. So you can keep track on every penny onto your wallet or into your business account right there. They have also the advantage of the same day transfer for 90% of the transactions. So it is not going to take a lot longer than the other platforms or the competitive platforms. So it is going to be only on the same day transfer or transaction. Now let's talk about the cons that we have on the Airwallex business account. So it is going to be business only account, not for individuals. That means that you're going to input all of the business information that you're going to have into this specific account if you're going to open it. It's not going to be for like PayPal, for example, business. If you're going to use PayPal business, you do not need some business information. You only need to provide your personal or account information. So you're going to have a business account. That is a little bit unfortunate, but a business is going to be a business. What can you do about it? And we have a little bit of a limitation for the transactional banking features. That is a little bit unfortunate for the limitation, but it is going to be a security measurement for Airwallex, I think. And now for the third con, which is going to be the transactional limits based on the risk profile. So, as risky as your profile is, or the low rate that you're going to be graded in Airwallex, you're not going to have a lot of transactions. Basically, you're going to have some limitation within the transactions. If you're going to have your trust or your trusted account, but there it is going to relieve a little bit of the limitation out there. Now, for the last con that people or all the reviews has noticed into the Airwallex, it is going to be the fees for some services like Swift transfers. And that means if you're going to have a person that has not Airwallex into their account, that means if you're going to put their Swift key or the Swift of their bank account, you're going to pay some fees. And this is a little bit, let's say here, not very convenient for the financial situations. If you're going to have some fees like these, it is going to be a little bit here, let's say, expensive into the small businesses. Now, here we have talked about the pros and cons. We're going to have a final verdict for this video. Whether you are going to have a small business owner or running a growing enterprise, this video will help you understand if Airwallex' innovative approach to financial services aligns with your needs in 2025. Don't miss out on potentially streamlining your global transactions and a financial operation in here, so you're going to be good to go. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe.